What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TA Vlogs coming back at you with another YouTube video. And we did some spring cleaning in the summer. Me and my wife, we decided to move some pairs that were in the closet that just weren't getting as much love as we would like to give them. So there's not too many good pairs there, just kind of the daily beaters that we were using from time to time. And I believe I have some more stuff in the front. Let me check. Yes, I do. Put some more stuff in the front right there. Got some more sneakers to sell. So we just want to clean out the closet and get rid of all the sneakers that we are not using. So we're going to be taking these pairs to a local resale shop and let's see if we can get some cash for some of these pairs that we're not using too often. I also brought some clothes, so hopefully they take that. If not, I'm going to have to drop those off at Plato's Closet. I'm just trying to change up my clothing and some of my sneakers that I'm not wearing, and the wifey is trying to do the same. So I'm hoping that they take everything so I don't have to go to Plato's Closet because it is like 40 minutes out of the way. But let's see if we get some cash, maybe some store credit. Let's see if we get rid of these items. Yeah. I brought some stuff. I don't know if you'd be interested in it because it was just some of the stuff that I was cleaning out my closet for. It's like 15 to 16 different pairs. I'm looking for some of it cash, some of it store credit. Do you want to just take a look, or you want me to bring it in, or like how do you want me to do it? It's like 15 to 16 pairs. Yeah, just so I mean you could tell me like, yeah, just so you could tell me like, and yeah, I'm interested in some of it being like cash, and then some items I just know are gonna be like literally like $15 store credit for you guys. Like like I know I'm going in with the expectation that it's gonna be super low. I was just trying to clean out the closet. Me and my wife were. So I know I brought in those military blues. You guys are still not interested in military blue 4 size 11, even at highest payout at 180 on StockX. I mean, probably not.
We're just not selling them. That's
Okay.
a sad thing. Like,
Gotcha.
We were probably all day, but yeah.
Juice World Vlone Tee, Paul Smoke Vlone Tee. I know it's gonna be super low, but I don't know if not. You just let me know. Pass. Okay.
Yeah.
I bought these slash from here. Are you interested in buying them back? They don't fit me.
Probably not.
No store credit.
We've been really picky right now.
Yeah.
So we're
Not even store credit.
Probably
No.
not, man.
These brand new Lucas basketball shoes, size 12.
What colorway is it?
It's called the Lake Bled colorway, I think, or Lake Blue.
We might, because hoop shoes usually be okay, mainly online. What were you trying to get for them?
Okay, so they're brand new, and StockX, the payout is $72. I don't know if they're gonna take it because of the box. I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. I haven't sold the StockX too much,
Okay.
so I don't know. So I know the payout is $72. So I'm willing. I'll take $50 for them. Human Race Pharrells.
Probably pass on those.
Probably pass.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff. Then I guess you're probably just gonna pass on them because even at like the $15 range is probably just not gonna be good for y'all, huh?
Yeah, maybe if we still did like Whatnot, we probably would.
Yeah. I think there's some Yeezys in here. No, these are NMDs for else. Women's size. Same. Yeah.
Those we definitely look at. Those are always good. Probably pass. Yeah. I'm remember I used to want those. Probably pass.
That's okay. Pretty nice. They're not. They're 8 and 9 women. And I think they were worn once. Maybe not even. But
I can look them up just in case. I'll try those out. What size are those?
11.
Probably look them up too. Air Maxes.
Yes, Reebok pumps. Size 12. A store piece, maybe.
Yeah, probably pass.
Pass. Okay. What is this?
Reacts.
Maybe worn once. Store credit.
Yeah, I can see what I can do.
Let's see. Reebok questions, no box.
What colorway is it?
The OG, red, white, and blue.
What size?
11.
Probably pass.
Okay, let me see.
Body is like the 76ers.
And then this would be more of probably just a store item, probably. It's like a Transformer trainer. It's like an OG from like
Before.
2005.
I just passed.
Pass on that stuff?
Sadly.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Cool, actually.
Okay, cool. Well, let's see what we can work out for that, and then. And these three, I'm cool with store credit on.
These three. Okay.
And if I could get cash for both of these, and then you give me the store credit
Okay.
offers.
Let me just look. Like these three, I think store credit, man. I'd probably do that. I'd do probably like 50
For all three?
Yeah. I know it's not much, but I feel like this is the only one that has like some sales. These I can't really find on eBay, sadly. But I still think we can get at least 20, 25, maybe on eBay or Macari, because we do list on there. It's just basically like 10 each for these two, and then the Air Max is like 30. The Air Maxes go for like 40 to 50. Plus we're gonna clean them up.
Oh, well, I'll think on that. So 50 there, and then what would you be here?
Did you have a number in mind for the Yeezys or anything?
No, I don't have a number. This one, I know I can get 72 payout cash. This on StockX for this, so I was like, let me do 50 on these. Yeah, they already. I think someone put a bid for like $100 or $90, and then the payout was 72. I just didn't know if they would accept it with this box how it was. So that's why I was like, if you want to take the risk, you can make the extra 22. I'll take 50 on these.
I feel like I'd probably do like a hundo.
Okay. 100 cash for these?
Yeah.
That's perfect. What's your offer based off of eBay?
Off eBay, probably like 40, just 10 less. Because there was one on eBay that sold for 80. But it's eBay. It's sometimes good to check eBay for like basketball shoes.
So let's see if I can do this then. So you were saying 40 cash, right?
Yeah.
40 cash, and then these were at 30 store credit, and then 10 and 10.
Yeah, 10 and 10, so 50.
I'm gonna take these back for 10. I'm gonna take these back for 10. So then that would be 40 store credit.
Yeah.
And then 100. Okay. So then let's see if we can do this. I wasn't here yesterday.
Okay. You were looking at some stuff. Got you.
Okay, so this is at 30. Mm-hmm. So done, even swap, right?
You want these? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well, for the top one. And I still got 10 card, right?
Yeah, my bad.
This one is 55. Mm-hmm. Can we do? I know you said 40 cash. Can I do 55 store credit for this?
Like a swap for the
yeah.
Let me check.
What brothers you know that use the oily stuff?
Yeah, for you, man. I got you.
Got you. Okay. So then I still got. Okay. So then that's that. So then I still got. I got 10 store credit and then 100 here.
100 here.
Yeah, I got you. Probably nothing but 10. So I'll probably I can keep that store credit on ice, or would you just give me $10 cash for them, or not? Did you do 110?
Unless you see, I don't even know if we do.
You don't have anything for $10, right?
Unless you like see a tee for like 15, 20, I could probably hook it up for sure.
15, 20? Okay. So then we'll look for that then. I'll look for a shirt for 15, 20 then.
Of course.
I'll look for here. You see on the sale rack over here?
Yeah.
All black. I don't know what varieties on that, but I think one of the values in it is that you get early signs of dry skin. Like we don't find out till the last. Till it start bleeding. Why can't we find out? You're damn near like. We find out the last. You can't even. We find out when you start.
This one's 35.
Hot dog.
Let me see what I can do. If you want to bring it up, I can see it.
Yeah. Because that hits us.
I just saw it on randomly, so.
No, you're good, man.
And it's my size, so I was like, it could.
Cracks.
That's cool, bro. I got you.
That's cool?
For you, I got you.
Okay, cool. I appreciate that.
Yeah, man. You're always in here supporting.
Yeah, of course.
Alright guys, so we do markets once a month here at our store at Equator. It's always located in front of our parking lot. We have one tomorrow, 12 to 6. We're going to have 10 vendors, food, drinks. Pull up if you can here in Alpharetta.
I was seeing these candy cane 14s. I was interested in
counting some money or whatever. You see a lot. I think you see a lot of vendors. Not a lot of.
And then this is the hole y'all talking about, or is there a different hole?
No, it's that one. I just don't know what it is.
What? Yeah, what the hell did he step on?
Yeah, we were thinking like, did he step on a nail or a screw? Yeah, so like, other than that, I mean, besides like the yellowing over age,
Yeah, no, they look crispy.
Not bad, yeah.
Look at that.
They'll send you to like a
All right, see you guys. I appreciate you. All right, y'all. So we did pretty good. I did not think I was honestly gonna get $100 for those Yeezys. I was thinking about maybe the $70 to $80 range, but I'm guessing they have some resale, or maybe they're just showing love and hooking your boy up. So as you guys were able to see, I was able to grab 3 vintage t-shirts, my size, for some of the sneakers. And then so what sneakers did I trade for that? I traded the Lucas, which they gave me, I guess, 55 store credit technically, so that's a plus because I wanted 50 cash. I was probably gonna buy this t-shirt anyway, so that is beautiful. And then I was able to trade the Air Max 90s for a shirt, which is fire as well. And then my wife left with $100 cash. And we still got a boatload of sneakers and clothing. I was thinking about going to Plato's Closet. Yeah, fuck it. Let's go to Plato's Closet and let's try to sell some of the other t-shirts that I have back there in the car. And maybe some of these items. Get some cash for some of this stuff I'm not using. Whether it's $5 or $10, I'd rather have the $5 or $10 than to just let this stuff sit in my closet and deteriorate and just waste away. So let's head over to Plato's Closet right now. Alright guys, so we just made it to Plato's Closet. I'm not going to bring in every single pair I have because I know some of them, they're not going to pay me what they're worth. I'm just going to bring in the super cheap items and let's see how much we can make off of Plato's Closet. So I just dropped some of the clothes off and some of the shoes at Plato's Closet. They told me to give them a couple of hours. It is currently 12:45. I think they said to come back around 3:30. So let's see if I could get any money for those items that I dropped off. Honestly, Plato's Closet is kind of crazy. I saw a pair of fake Yeezys, a pair of off-white Jordan 4s, and they even had a pair of fake Dior Air Jordan 1s. So if they're playing around and they want to give me money for my real sneakers and they're buying fake stuff in there, selling it for like $200 each, come on, Plato's Closet, step up your game. Y'all need to authenticate your shoes better. And listen, y'all better give me a nice penny because I'm bringing you real stuff and y'all are buying fake sneakers.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, so it's currently 3:50 in the afternoon, a couple hours later, and they finally texted me to let me know my buy was ready. So let's see how much money I'm actually going to get from Plato's Closet. Alright y'all, so we are back from Plato's Closet, and the final verdict is they offered me $80 for, I believe, 5 pairs of sneakers, a pair of slides. I think they took 2 t-shirts, which isn't bad. I was getting about $10 per pair, and honestly, we were probably going to donate some of that stuff anyway, so at least we got some extra cash back. So after a very successful day, we ended up with $100 for the Yeezys, $80 for those other sneakers and stuff that we were going to donate, and I ended up with 3 vintage t-shirts. So I think I ended the day very well. $180 cash, 3 vintage t-shirts that were priced up about, I think together was like $120 in value. So 180, 120, that's $300. $300 for stuff that was just sitting in our closet and that we were just gonna give away. So I think today was a very successful day. Now I'm gonna use this money, I'm gonna give some money to the wifey because some of the items were her clothes and her sneakers and stuff like that. So I'm gonna break her off. But whatever's left over for me, I'm just going to keep reinvesting into sneakers I want to buy or maybe even clothing that I want to get. I'm just getting more funding for my sneakers and my clothing, so I'm happy about that. Alright y'all, well that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If this is your first time stopping by, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's content, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And if you guys are looking to join up on the Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through as we continue to grow the community over there and show your boy some love. Tomorrow I will be at the vintage pop-up at Equator in Alpharetta. So if you guys are looking to pick up any vintage clothing, sell, buy, trade, any of those options, make sure to stop by, like I said, Equator, Alpharetta, the vintage pop-up tomorrow between 12 and 6. They have 10 vendors and a whole bunch of vintage, and you guys are not going to want to miss out on this event. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.